Sije Innocent ori mukama w'ishomero rya Ijumo Progressive Secondary School ashoborire ngo kuruga batunga Dr. Nasinde Annette ahirwaro rya Mitoma ngo hakaba hempinduka mpango ngo aho kubentaro z'abashaho hamwe n'aba government zikemerera
sibahanze bwana n'abashaho bamwe bakurare mbazi bamwe batapenda gukora tungambe Nasinde kwiyizire hakaba hempinduka mpango munungu ambe na hinganga Wende kirongwa chairman mendachurira karo zabashapo na government
personally nyokamberaho I delivered the premature child, and during that process all doctors including Dr. Nasinde were there for me.
Karija Benon ori chairman LC5 ahabwa Mitoma district asimire Dr. Nasinde Annette obutejumbira mukuriye bituga kandi akakoraje emirimo ye ahakuba yagendaje hatine buzobona.
Ebesimu Nasinde anashaba send. I've never called you that night. Nasinde anashaba umutwara. Ati yahumura. Hati obusendo bakwiba bakunyabanya tibwire cyubagasira. The riches you get by the soul will soon disappear. Like a candle goes out in the dark, and God will never even embrace. I don't know about shower, young lad, you know, I come up. But even was, so, really, when you talk about service delivery, you could have to be a second Mr.
Dr. Taremwa Julius ojiro mbigere bya Dr. Nasinde Annette obwa hati uri mukuru w'irwaro rya Mitoma Health Center 4 asimire Nasinde Annette aho kumuberaho akagaruka kamutendeka ngo aho kuba officensia yagiremo ekabetanguhire kandi Dr. Nasinde Annette ho humwire mirimo ye asimire abashaho aho kumukunda kandi ko kushaba kusasirwa aho utaragenzereje.
Thank you for honoring me. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for supporting me. Kandi, mwevyona, when I was still in charge, I want to apologize for making your life very difficult. Kandi, after making your life very difficult,
kandi Reverend Maulda okurwa mu kanisa ya Mitoma Church of Uganda ayahananchiriza abashaho okugumana bakundana baba bari hamirimo yabo ngaho bukubatokamanya nyensa yabo rumuntu
Arishimwe nimbashaba mukundane namwe no karaba hagumuntu ayo naje ati kanje karga hazamanya nabaru nabo ati karga ko kumukaza nabo hatu we yargaha nazo wabo iwe to kumanya ko argaha noje kubanuza nganye
amakuraga gashakwa Olivia Nasasira abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga omuri Mitoma.